The last session in this, we want to look at how to merge list, right, with same names, right, or let's say same object. So how do we merge a list with same names or objects? So if we look at the previous one that we just looked at, that is with a concatenate, it just try to combine the list, right, different lists, but you want to merge the list with the same names. We can only do this by making use of the map function and the mapply function. But before we do that, let's create another list. Let's create another list. So we'll start by creating some vector. Let's say x1 is, let's sample from, sorry, this is another vector. So let's sample from 1 to 10. We want just 5 numbers, right? So the size should be 5. Let's run this. Right, so we have x1 with those numbers. Right, so let's create y1. Let's say we want another character, right? So this time we want dog, and we want, let's say, dove, right? Okay, so let's run this. So that's another character that has been created. So now we can create a second list. Let's say name list 2. So we want actually let's assign the first ones to be x, or let's say yes, to x ones should be assigned to x, then that's t, or let's say character 2, let's say numeric 1, numeric 2, right? So we have y1, alright, so we are good to go. So we have actually assigned this list or these vectors to some names, and we are trying to create a second list. So let's run this. So let's look at the name list 2. Name list 2. Right, so sorry, this should be list, right? Okay, so this should be list here. So let's run it again. Yep, so now we have the second numeric, and that's now we want to merge the first list, which was named list. That's the first list that we created, right? We want to merge these two lists. So how do we do this? So merge list 1 and 2. So to do this, we use the map function, map map, right? This. Then we use that c to combine, or basically to merge the two lists. So the first one is name list, and the second one is name list 2. So let's run this. So that's how it's going to, now this has actually merged. So if you look at the first element in this, we had 8, 12, right? And the second numeric is 7, 10, 9, and it has actually joined it together. Yes, 7, 9, 10 has been joined to the first numeric. When they have the same name, it can actually join them together or merge them. So if you look at the first character, we had if you look at the first character, right, we had plant and air. Now the second we have duck and dove, and that's actually merge them, right? So this basically how to merge the two lists, right, of the same name or object. Now we can do this again by using the mapply function, right? So with this we just introduce the function C, right, for the merging. Then we have named list, then we also have name list too, right? So let's run this, which does the same thing. The mapply does the same thing as the map function. So this is basically how to merge lists with same names or objects in R. Please, if you find value in this video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and also click on the notification to get any updates anytime I post on this channel. Thank you for watching.